Imagine making $100 from a video you never recorded, never voiced, and never appeared in. No camera, no microphone, no editing skills. That's exactly what I did using AI tools, and today I'll show you how. This is one of the easiest side hustles in 2025. Let's get straight into it. First, what is an AI spokesperson video? It's a video where an AI-generated person speaks your script. Businesses use these for ads, websites, explainers, and product demos. They love them because they're professional, cheap, and fast. You can create these in minutes and sell them for $50 to $300. Now, what tools do you need? Only 3: ChatGPT, HeyGen, and optionally ElevenLabs. ChatGPT writes the script. HeyGen creates the talking avatar video. ElevenLabs gives you a premium, natural-sounding voice. And you sell everything through Fiverr or LinkedIn. Let's create a script together. Open ChatGPT and write a 30-second promotional script for a fitness coach. In seconds, ChatGPT gives you a clean intro, benefits, and a call to action. You can generate scripts for real estate agents, dentists, salons, apps, and more. Every one of these niches is a potential client. Now let's create the actual video. Go to HeyGen.com. Choose an avatar that matches the tone of your script. Paste your text inside the box. Choose language, voice style, and pacing. Click Generate. In under a minute, you get a full spokesperson video. No filming, no lighting, no technical work. Kunal alone is enough to start this side hustle. The built-in voices are good and clients will accept them. But if you want to deliver premium videos and charge more, that's where ElevenLabs becomes powerful. Let me show you how to combine ElevenLabs with HeyGen. Step 1. Go to ElevenLabs.io. Step 2. Paste your script. Step 3. Choose a naturalvoice.com, confident or energetic. Step 4. Click Generate and download the MP3. ElevenLabs voices sound almost human, emotional, and realistic. Step 5. Return to HeyGen. Choose Use Your Own Voice File. Upload the MP3 from ElevenLabs. HeyGen automatically syncs lips and expressions to the audio. Your video looks and sounds like a real person. This is the quality that gets repeat clients. Now let's talk about the money. Go to Fiverr and search AI spokesman or AI spokesperson video. You'll see gigs charging from $50 to $300. These sellers have hundreds or thousands of reviews. People are paying for this every single day. Create your own gig offering AI spokesperson videos for businesses. Add a sample video made in HeyGen. Set your starting price to $25 or $30. As you get orders, increase your prices. Small businesses love this service because it saves time and looks professional. You can also find clients outside Fiverr. Try LinkedIn Message, local businesses. Try Facebook business groups. Try TikTok show, before and after examples. Try Instagram, post short demos. Anywhere businesses exist, you have potential clients. Let me give you my real example. A fitness coach needed a promotional video. I wrote the script in ChatGPT. I generated the avatar using HeyGen. I replaced the voice using ElevenLabs. Total time, around 15 minutes. Payment received $100. That's the power of AI. So let me be honest with you. You don't need skills. You don't need a camera. You don't need to appear on video. AI does the hard work. You deliver the final product. This is one of the easiest entry-level side hustles in 2025. And here's the best part. You can start today using free versions of the tools. No upfront cost. No special equipment. Just copy, paste, generate, and deliver. If you want a full tutorial on how to set up your Fiverr gig, or how to talk to clients, or how to automate this entire process, tell me in the comments. If there's a specific AI tool or business model you want me to cover, write it below. I actually read the comments. Your idea might be the next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Wealth Hustle for more AI income ideas every week. I'll see you in the next video.